auf der Flugspitze.
I'm a sweating out this land and I don't know what to do. The VHF is on the blink and your voice is a-beating fast. Please clear me on the final Orleans flight, baby, my lad. Now listen, Opera 202, this is Clear Bird Tower. I'd like to help you, baby, but I just don't have the power. The FAA's your only hope, so you can find this fire. Just file a form and prove I can't have time to questionnaire. See the Borough Tower? This is Piper 202. Now kindly listen carefully to what I'm telling you. I'm gonna land here right away.